Beloved, here today we have us a little handheld 6-inch mini electric chainsaw we're going to be demonstrating for you. We got this off of Amazon here. It's a 21 volt. Didn't know they made 21 volts, but apparently they do. So we're going to see what kind of cutting power the little thing actually has. Get them little branches there out of the way. Alright, cameraman, you might want to step back a little, grab the box there too, just in case. I believe it's listed on Amazon for $69.99. It's worth its weight in gold. For a little handheld, look what a tree it just cut. Can't beat that. Comes with 2 batteries, extra chain, pair of gloves, safety glasses. About anything you need. Plan accordingly.